Hello dear friend, thank you for visiting Yongye Metal Industry on Kawah. This big garden hose reel is of 30 meter. This small garden hose reel is of 15 meter. The cable reels, it will be customized according to your country's sockets and plugs. Here we have combination hose reels. This square hose reel could be connected together to be used as a unit. Here you can see the air hose reels, and they are of very good quality. And if you want a short one, then this mini one will be perfect. If you want a big one, these big models will be 20 meter. And if you want larger diameters, you can use this shelf to make the air hose reels too. We have ready samples for you. Here you can see the high pressure hose reels. This is size S, size M, size L, and they could be 300 baht. Very popular in many countries. And here you can see the industrial water hose reels is similar to garden hose reels, but the fuel mesh hose could be under bigger pressure. So every hose reel could be used independently or combined for different functions. And this one is also a combination hose reel. This shelf, we could put these models into that shelf. Thank you for your watching.